Welcome to 8361 45th Street Northeast in St. Michael. If you're a home-based business owner or somebody just looking for a little bit more elbow room or a little extra storage, this is the property for you. This property features a 2,500 square foot farmhouse along with a new shop that we'll check out in just a second, and many outbuildings to include extra garage space, storage, and so much more. Let's take a quick tour. Welcome to the newest building on the property. This is a 35 by 70 shop. It's been spray foam insulated and is ready for heat. There is plenty of room to either create that perfect shop space of your dreams or a great parking spot for many of your toys. Next, we're going to check out this 1905 farmhouse. It has over 2,500 square feet, a spacious kitchen, a larger living room, main floor laundry, and a main floor master bedroom as well. And plenty of bedrooms upstairs also. Make sure you check out the basement, perfect place for extra storage space on this property. Here we're in the smaller shop on the property. This shop is 15 by 19 and has a garage door and is already heated. This is the traditional garage space on the property, roughly a 2.5 car size. This is one of the largest storage barns on the property, being 19 by 36. However, there are many other outbuildings still to come. So I said there would be a little more to come. So off to my right, we have another fully enclosed barn. Behind me is a partially enclosed barn, as well as this additional partially enclosed storage space. The primary homestead is roughly 4 acres. However, there's an additional 4 acres, perfect for that little bit of extra elbow room or for your new home site. There's also an extra parcel with over 19 tillable acres. If you are interested, please inquire.